Hello YouTube, what is up? This is Costa Cheeseburger, and today we are doing an NBA 2K16 rebuild challenge for the 2016-2017 season, and we are going to be using the Los Angeles Lakers for this rebuild. The Lakers already do have a really good future set up for them with Clarkson, Ingram, Russell, and Randall. But so they had just signed Luol Deng and Mozgov, and they're both a lot of money. And Mozgov, I don't think it's worth it. So I'm going to see if I can trade away Mozgov right away. And Calderon. Those two. I'm going to see if I can trade them away. Let's see. Ooh. I'd have to give up Williams, but we still do have Clarkson, and we're getting Josh Richardson. I'm gonna pull the trigger on this deal. Now we look at our rotation right now, and it's pretty good. This setup with Russell, Clarkson, Deng, Randall, and Whiteside, with Ingram being our sixth man. I think I'm gonna trade away Nick Young, definitely, and maybe Meta World Peace for the next two. Trade Finder, where is he? Nick Young, and let's see, for Meta World Peace as well as a package. Ooh, okay, we're going backwards. Hoping, but I have to give up my current first round pick. No. That's so. Let's just see for Nick Young. Okay. Ooh. No. You know, maybe. I don't want to get Kelly, though. Chris Anderson, no. What if... I'm trying to think. What the? This trade, though. What? Oh my god. I don't care if Tyson Chandler's 1 star. That's a defensive machine right there. Okay, now let's check out new rotation. This is a pretty nice rotation. We're going to go into the season with this. So I'm going to simulate to the All-Star game, and if anything big comes up, I'm going to tell you guys about it. Okay guys, we are here at the All-Star break, and we are currently 1 game under 500, but we are 8th in the Western Conference and 2nd in our division. Okay, let's look at this. That's why, because of the Warriors are 47-5 through their first 52 games. Let's see how else the league is going. Cavs 34-18. Wow, I expected more. Okay, now here are our player stats. Ooh, I did not want to see that. Crap. But, okay, so Ingram is leading the team with 16, as well as Russell is. Then Deng with 14, Randall with 10, and Clarkson also with 10. And for rebounding, it's Whiteside. He is almost averaging a double-double at 9 and 10. Assists, Russell and Marcelo Huertas both are averaging 6, with Ingram averaging 5. Steals, we have 5 guys averaging at least 1 steal a game, which is pretty great. And then blocks, we have Whiteside averaging 3, and then Chandler, Ingram, and Deng all averaging 1, and Larry Nance almost averaging 1. So this should be interesting, as we're now going to simulate to this end of this season number 1, and I will come back to you by showing who is going to be this year's MVP. Okay guys, and here is this year's MVP. It is LeBron James, almost averaging a triple-double with 26, 9, and 9. And that's unbelievable. And this year's Rookie of the Year is Ben Simmons of the Philadelphia 76ers. Sixth man is Brandon Knight, which I did not expect. Defensive Player of the Year, DeAndre. What? Why is he at the Celtics? Okay, I'm going to see who from the Celtics is on the Clippers now. Most improved player is Jonas Valanciunas, averaging 12 and 13 with 2 blocks. And the Coach of the Year is Steve Kerr, getting 73 wins and 9 losses once again for back-to-back seasons. And here are... Ooh, LeBron's hurt? Cavs aren't going anywhere now. My God. Yeah, so here is your first team with no Warriors players, shockingly. Yeah, no Warriors players. And then Curry's on the second team. Ooh, Al Horford is on the Clippers. Okay. And then Clay. Only Curry and Clay making All-NBA teams. What? Kevin to the Nets? Did not expect that. Now, first team all defense again. First team all rookie. Brandon Ingram making there. I like seeing that. Their second team. And then here's the playoffs. We did not make the playoffs with the record of 39 and 43. I did not really expect us to. Hopefully we could have a good draft class. Get up there, and we're just gonna simulate the playoffs. Wait, what? The Cavs made it out of the first round? But yeah, then they get swept by the Bulls. The Warriors sweep the Detroit Pistons for this year's NBA champs. And Stephen Curry is the Finals MVP, averaging 32, 8, and 9, basically, with 3 steals throughout 4 games, which is really impressive for a point guard. And now, let's just go on to the draft. Here we go with the technical 2017 NBA draft. The Celtics have the first 2? What? We don't have a pick. That's just great. But the Celtics have the first 2. What? Where did the Celtics get these 2 picks? And where is our pick? Oh God, 76ers with the 5th, the 8th, and 12th. That's great. But then the Celtics with, they had the Nets and the Mavericks. So yeah, my God. I'm just gonna sim to this because I can't do anything. Let's go to our team/player options. Of course we're re-signing all of those guys. Ooh, here's the free agents: LeBron James, Chris Paul, Blake. Okay. Now, let's see what we need. Got 2 point guards, 3 shooting guards, 3 small forwards. Okay, I'm releasing you. No. Who else? Okay, here we go. We're going into first day of free agency after we check qualifying offers, my free agent. Okay, that's great. I have no expiring contracts. It means everybody's coming back. Okay. Ooh. Let's go for Paul Giannis. I'm just going to negotiate. And I can't. Great. Negotiate. Can't. CJ. How about, but come on, there's inflation. There's inflation for this year. This is just great. Ooh, maybe I get JR. Nope. Let's see what the most I can offer him. Okay. That's the most. I'll give him plus Mac and a player. Let's see where we are on this. And that's just great. So, no JR. Come on, Andre. Yes. This is great. I'll give a player. Let's see where we are on this. View offers. We're number 3. Okay. Okay, I know we're not getting them. What the 2K? What the heck? PJ. Let me give you 2.5 with player. Nope, can't sign CJ. Nah, I don't want. Okay, let's see if we can bring in David Lee. Any point guards? Sean? Nope. Mario? Ooh. Bring in. If I can bring in Mario. And let's check out our PJ Tucker. I'm glad to see that he at least accepts it. Now you, forgot, I can't now. Okay, we can't do anything else. Let's just go straight to player progression. Okay, Hassan Whiteside, Brandon Ingram, D'Angelo Russell, Julius Randle, Clarkson. Oh, that's great. Now we're just gonna advance to next season now. Okay, so here's our roster going into this season. And okay, we got Ronnie, Ben Gordon, Marcelo Huertas. Now, here's our rotation. Only person not above an overall of 80 is Jordan Clarkson. But so we're just going to advance to the All-Star break once again. See you guys there. So here we are at the All-Star break. We are once again 1 game under 500. And we are 8th in the conference. But now we are 3rd in the division. So here if we look at the roster. No major injuries, except for dislocated right patella. That's for this season. That is a big blow. Might have to do some work. Okay, now let's just look at the statistics. Points, Ingram with 20, then Russell with 17, and then Randall, Richardson, and Dang all with 11, and then Hassan and Tyson averaging 10. For rebounds, it's Hassan leading us with 11, with Randall at 9, and Tyson Chandler at 8. Now, assists, we got D'Angelo at 7, and then next closest is Ingram 5. Steals, Russell and Ingram lead it again. Blocks, not as solid as last season, but I'll take it. And now, let's just look at league leaders. Durant with 30 points, followed by Lillard, who's 0.7 points per game behind them. Then we got LeBron. Where's Curry on this? Curry's only 25.4. That's not a lot for him. Okay, I'm gonna see if we can get a trade to get a solid shooting guard now. Okay, guys, so we are going to offer the Brooklyn Nets, PJ Tucker, our 2018 first-round pick for Sean Kilpatrick. Let's see if they accept it, and they have. Okay, that's really good because now we have a new backup. Now we have a new backup shooting guard, and I won't be using that 2018 pick because I'm only going to go 3 seasons. Now, let's just simulate to the end of this season. I will see you guys there, showing guys who is the MVP for the 2018 season, technically. And at the end of season number 2, your MVP is Kevin Durant, averaging 28 and 9. with 5 assists, 1.5 steals, and 1.4 blocks. Your rookie of the year is Harry Giles of the Boston Celtics. One of the, believe the second pick of the draft, yes. Sixth man is Cameron Payne. Anthony Davis is your defense player, averaging 25, 11, and 2.5 blocks. Rondé House-Jefferson earns the Most Improved Player of the Year award. And Steve Kerr, 66 and 16. That's 7 less wins for them. First team All NBA. I'm expecting nobody from the team to be on it. Yep, on any of them, nobody. First team defense, nobody once again. All rookie, we had no rookies. And this year we went 41 and 41, which is good enough for the 7th seed in the playoffs, and we're going up against the Portland Trail Blazers. But first, let's just check out our end of the year stats. And so leading us is Ingram with 20, Russell with 17, Randall with 12, and then Sean Kilpatrick, after trade deadline, averaging for 12 points per game. Not much of anything else, but that's what I needed him. Filling up that 12 points missing from Josh Richardson. Then for rebounds, we got Whiteside with 11, Randall with 9, Chandler with 7. Assists, about 8 a game from D'Angelo, and then 5 from Ingram, 4 from Clarkson. Steals, 2 from Russell, then 1 from the injured Josh Richardson, and 1 from Ingram. Blocks, 2.5 from Whiteside, then 1 and 1. Then both players averaging 1 assist. From 1 block, neck, is Ingram and Chandler. So here we go. I'm not expecting us to win this series. Simulate game number 1. We lose by 10. Simulate game number 2. Oh, we took game 2. Okay, let's check this out. Oh my God, Ingram with 32 and 10. Give him a moment's card, 2K. Clarkson and Randall with 15. Kilpatrick with 14, but did nothing else. Look at that plus minus. It's minus 12. Then Whiteside with 13 and 15 with 5 blocks. Dang with 10 and 5. Then Chandler with 10 and 5 and 3 blocks. Wow, this team working really well together. Okay. Game number 3. Can we win it? Nope. We lose by 23. Game number 4. And we take game number 4. Let's check this out. D'Angelo with 25, 6 and 5. Luol, pretty solid numbers, 14 and 3. Not that solid as I meant. Ingram with better numbers with 13, 4, 5, 2. Clarkson with 13, 3, 3. Randall, 11, 6, 3, 1. But then everybody else did okay. They did good enough to get that dub. Game number 5. This is a big game. It's in Portland. We take game number 5. Oh, my. We win by 13. Let's check this out. Ingram with 37. Randall 17 and 7. D'Angelo with 13 and 10. Clarkson 13 and 5. Luol Deng 11 points. Kilpatrick 10 points. Whiteside 10 and 12 with 5 blocks again. And then Larry Nance Jr. coming out of nowhere and getting 10 points. But look at Ingram. I just noticed this. He had 3 blocks. Wow. Okay. This is for the series win. Can we win it in LA? Game number 6. Can we take it? Nope. We lose 140 to 114. Wow. Lillard with 35 and 13. Wow. You all were just off that game. Like, you guys shot 47. You gave 61%. Okay. We're the only... No. Okay, let's win this. Come on. I'm going to simulate with Simcast. Yes. But let's check out these injuries. Okay, okay. That should be helpful. Okay, let's go into this simulate game. And no. This doesn't look good. Wait, are we starting to make a oh, we're starting to come back. Okay, come on. Ooh. Oh. We have a no. We just couldn't we just couldn't hold the lead at the end of the game. But so finish. Lillard had 40. So now we're just gonna simulate the playoffs, and it's gonna be the Warriors back to back. Okay, and Steph. Yep. Okay, so here we're at free agency, and ooh, gotta resign Julius at all costs. Ooh, yeah, gotta give him that bird. Let's see, what do we need? Oof. Oh, he's okay. Okay, that so. Oof, we have to get a lot of guys now. Crap. So we got another point guard, power forward. Nah, we got some money to be allowed here. Okay. We'll see if we bring back Shawnee Boy. Power forwards if we can't. Ooh, Michael Beasley, but we can't sign him. Let's see if he takes that and give him player option. Alright, let's see. After day one, nobody resigned. Oh, that's because I didn't give anybody player options. Crap. Alright, gonna give him that exact same deal, but this time, player option. Player. How about Will the Drill? Nope. Hopefully Michael will take this deal. I really hope so. How about Patrick? Give you 1 year with a player option. If no, not a team player. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yes, we got Julius and Sean. That's good at least. What? What? So I can't get Sean? What? That's freaking BS. I'm just gonna go to player progression and see how everything went there. Oh my god. D'Angelo. D'Angelo. Whew. Okay, we're gonna get a bunch of bad players. Okay. Just auto-generate. Okay, so okay, so oof. Oh god, this is ugly. This is so ugly. Kyle Korver. Oh, I'm keeping him. He's gonna be like, except there's some horrible shooting. Let's see, trade finder. Tyson. Let's see what I get for Tyson. I get Wilson Chandler, Timu Fei. We're just gonna see how this season goes. It's gonna be bust. Okay, so we are here at the All-Star break, and this is very shocking in my opinion. We're 31-22, fourth in the conference, and I think the main reason why is because of these four guys right here. And I only thought Russell was the only highest rated player, but then you see Ingram, Whiteside, who's right knee tendonitis. And let's check out these player stats. Ingram averaging 24 and 5, no 25 and 6. I mean, D'Angelo averaging 24 and 8. Randall with solid 11 and 8. Luol Deng averaging 10 points. Clarkson 10 points. Hassan Whiteside 10 and 10. And that's really it. Whiteside with his casual 3 blocks. And let's just go on to the end of the season. Hopefully, our good luck can help us through. Okay, so season's over, and Russell Westbrook wins the MVP award as Wendell Carter, Rookie of the Year, Nicholas Batum, Sixth Man, Anthony Davis, another Defensive Player of the Year award, Tyler Ulis wins the Most Improved Player award, and Steve Kerr, with another 66 and 16 record, wins Coach of the Year. And here's the first team All-NBA with 2 Warriors on the team, but then Karl Anthony Towns, he's such a beast. And All-Team second, third, D'Angelo Russell making the 3rd team All-NBA. Yes, that is great. All defensive team, Hassan Whiteside, and then expecting nobody else. Wait, what does he have now? Twisted right ankle. Really? Okay, and then we have no rookies. Oh, what? Donovan Mitchell. I thought we'd have nobody there. What did he average? That's right, 9 points. And this year we have a 46 and 36 record, which is good enough for the 4 seed. And let's just check out our statistics from the season. Both Ingram and Russell with 20 points, but Russell has the additional 8 assists per game. Randall averaging 11 and 8. Deng just averaging 10 points and 4 rebounds. Then we got Hassan Whiteside averaging 10 and 10, but he won't be playing in the playoffs, sadly, for the first 2 weeks, basically. We got Jordan Clarkson averaging 9, and as well as Donovan Mitchell. So this will be interesting. We're going up against the Pelicans, and let's just see who they have. Because of course they have, where can I find the roster? There's the roster. Because of course they already have Anthony Davis, Drew Holiday, Tyreek Evans, Buddy Hield. Oh my God. Oof, that'll fit then. Marquise Bolden, Serge Ibaka, Taj Gibson, DeMar Carroll. This should be interesting. So game 1 of the series, we take game 1, 114-92. We take game 2, beating them by 1. Game 3, it's their place. We take game 3. Can we take game 4? And we take game 4. Okay, here we go. Now we're going up against the Warriors. Warriors, come out to play. They take game 1. They take game 2. 156 to 97. Curry drops 52. Well, plus minus of 55. What the heck? Ugh. This is just like, it hurts my eyes to see. Okay, game 3 it's at home, and they take game 3. And do we get swept? We get swept. Well, this was my first rebuild. It was definitely a practice rebuild, like, first time. So not the best. Probably could have done better. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. There shall be more rebuilds in the near future. Yes, and please like the video if you enjoyed and want to see more content like this. But what the 76ers making it all the way to the finals. Who do they have besides Simmons? What? Okafor, Millsap, Simmons. Ooh. Could possibly be my next rebuild team. But please like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And